Hi, this is Shankar. Today I am going to explain the seventh experiment, procedures and functions. So first of all, we will see the questions what I have given. So first question, write a PL SQL procedure that will accept the product ID from the user, check if the product is supplied by the user and display the status. So for this, I created this procedure function. Now here, procedure 1, I am getting the product ID from the user and displaying the date and varchar. So these are all the supply date, then supply ID quantity, then the who supplied and gender, everything will be displayed. And the state, SID, gender and product quantity will be stored in these values from the supplier 306, where product ID is get from the user. So if it's less than system date, then it will show it is supplied, otherwise it will be not showed is not supplied. From the procedure created, so its procedure is created and you can see begin with procedure 4001 showing supplied by the ID, gender and quantity and everything. So this first question is explained, and the second question is calculate the total price for the product that has been supplied. So we have to find the total price for it. So here I created a procedure called price. In this I got the input as varchar of x and the product output number. In this I am getting the product price, finding the sum of the price that has been ordered from the product using the subquery used here. Then from the product I am displaying it. So you can see that this is a supplier whose name is S3, who is having the product ID of 3001. And you can see in the order line 3001 it has been prices for 3005. So from that you can see the sum of the price and that. So I for 3000 it's only one, so it's showing the price as 305. If it's repeated, then you can see the sum of the price in it. Then the third question is find the rice quantity which increases the quantity of the product number. So here I can show you the program. So I created a rice quantity procedure in this x as input and y as input. In that I get the quantity in here, and x is nothing but the product ID. So when I get the product ID for it, and I am adding the value to it. So if order quantity is first, I'm going to put 4003 for the 4003. The quantity is 10. So I gave extra I gave extra 3, so the product ID has to be increased to 30. So here as you can see the 4003 has been changed from 10 to 30. So this is third one, and for the fourth one the product name and the product ID is passed an argument. So show the product description, and this is only one input. So I'm storing the product description in F varchar and for the product ID and displaying it. So show product ID 1000 from the debug. So product ID for the 1000 is its office disk. So as you can see, the product disk is displayed. So the product disk is displayed. Then we are going for the last fifth question, that is maximum quantity ordered by the customer. So I am creating a function called maximum quantity with returning as a number, and the total number is 0 for first, and the maximum order quantity is getting from the total and from the order line, and it is being returned back. So when I execute this function, it's showing the maximum quantity as 20. You can also see that the maximum quantity is 20 in the order line. Then last question, find the sum of the digits in the given number. So in this I created a procedure without name, you can see. Then I'm getting the integer, and this is a sum quantity which is 0, and this is the digit that is displayed as D. So getting the values from the user, and till it's not equal to 0, it's going for the remainder and is stored in the digit. So the last digit will be stored and it will be added to this sum, and it is rounding off from n divided by 10. So you can get the round value and stored in n. So it will be repeated till if it becomes 0. When it becomes 0, all the digits will be added. So it is be showed in the output. So I got 56. So it has been 5 plus 6 is 11. So it has been shown. So this is the sixth experiment. Sorry, 7th one.